Recap of what is analysis. Previously on Back to Basics, we explored the concept of analysis in electronics, covering types like circuit analysis, power integrity, and signal integrity. These techniques ensure robust and reliable system performance. Introduction to WCCA. Worst Case Circuit Analysis, or WCCA, is a critical process used to evaluate the performance of electronic circuits under extreme operating conditions. It ensures circuits meet design specifications and safety standards, even in worst-case scenarios. This helps engineers detect weaknesses early and improve circuit reliability. Purpose of WCCA. WCCA verifies robustness and reliability, identifies potential failures, optimizes design, and reduces risks of costly changes after production. Key elements of WCCA. The key elements of WCCA include analyzing component tolerances, environmental factors, power supply variations, signal variations, aging effects, and stress. Steps in WCCA. WCCA involves defining scope, gathering data, creating models, performing simulations, analyzing results, implementing design improvements, and resimulate till the result within required scope. Tools used in WCCA. Various tools assist in WCCA, including simulation software, reliability analysis tools, and environmental testing equipment. Challenges in WCCA. WCCA faces challenges such as data accuracy, complexity, simulation limitations, and time consumption. WCCA methods. Common methods include extreme value analysis, root sum square, and Monte Carlo analysis, each suited for specific scenarios. Benefits of WCCA. WCCA enhances reliability, reduces costs, ensures compliance, and optimizes performance. Applications of WCCA. WCCA is crucial in industries like aerospace, automotive, medical devices, and consumer electronics. Simple conclusion. WCCA ensures that circuits operate reliably and safely under all conditions, making it a cornerstone of robust electronic design. In our next video, we will dive into PCB schematic design, exploring how to create efficient and error-free schematics for electronic systems. Stay tuned for more topics in our Back to Basics series.